Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to connect the Samsung T9 Shield SSD to this device and how to move the photos or videos directly from your phone to this hard drive. Okay, so with the help of this Type-C cable we can easily connect this Samsung T9 portable SSD to our phone. You can see, right? Let me show you. First of all, here I am going to open this files application and tap on the browse on the bottom tab. So first we need to connect to our phone. Then the other end simply connect to your SSD. Now you can see a blue light. Now just wait for a few seconds. You can see the name of the SSD on your device. You can see. Right? If you tap on this one, you can see all the files on this SSD. Okay, so let me show you how to move photos or videos directly from your phone to this external hard drive. Simply open your photos if you want to move the photos from your device. Okay, and next step we need to select the photos that you want to move or copy. So here I am going to select a couple of photos. For this, if you want to select a couple of photos, tap on the select on the top right side and you can select the photos that you want to copy or move. After select, here you can see 5 photos selected. At the bottom left side you can see one share button. Tap on this one. Here you can see the option copy photos. Okay, now open the files application. Go to your SSD name. Now it is opened and select the folder or you can create a new folder. So here I am going to select the DCIM. So select the folder that you want to copy the paste the photos. Press and hold. Here you can see the option paste. Tap on this one. You can see all the 5 photos are here. So simply in this way we can easily copy or move the photos or videos directly from the phone to the external hard drive. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.